As I said, we have two different type of campaigns. One is search campaign that runs on search engine result pages. Search engine result page is primarily a page on which you see, after searching it, you see the results. That is a search engine result page. And second is display campaign. Display campaign runs their ad on GDN. What is the full form of GDN? Google Display Network. And how how websites become a part of GDN. Google has one more program known as Google AdSense. So you go on Google AdSense, you submit your website, Google will check whether that website is eligible for showing ads or not. Once they identify that all the traffic is genuine and he's not doing any spamming activity, nothing like that, then it approves those websites and they become a part of Google Display Network. And then Google can show ads on those websites. And indirectly, we can show our ads on those websites. Right now, if you look at, Google has 3 million websites registered, and they register only top sites. It's not that tomorrow you create a site and go and register for it, and you will get an AdSense approval. No, you will not get an AdSense approval so easily. It is a tough process, but yes, if you get an approval, you will be able to display ads and then make money out of it, to be precise. So there are 3 million websites. So around 3 million websites you can show your ads across the globe. And it includes all the top websites, content websites like Times of India, Hindustan Times, Naukri.com, you can see ads. Then any sector you can look at where it is about content. It's not about somebody. You can't see Google ads on how should I say, on platform like loanbroker.in. Aditya will never agree because he's bringing a targeted traffic. Why he would redirect that traffic to Google's ads? No, he will not agree. Any business site you will not see where there is a greater business model. Otherwise, you will see it. Like you don't see ads on Flipkart, Amazon, Jabong, because they have their own ad system as well. At the same time, they don't want to show some rubbish and move the user out of their website. Okay, so one thing they cover, these both the network covers 85% of the internet population. It's world's internet population. I'm not saying total world's population, it's total world's internet population, which is around 2.5 billion, I believe, is covered by Google AdWords. So almost you can reach to two, uh, 2/7 of or 3/7 of the total world population, which is increasing day by day. Okay. Is that clear to everyone? What is GDN? What is Google AdSense? What is Google AdWords? And how it works? Okay. Rajiv says it's clear. Chaitanya says clear. Okay. Uh, so let's go ahead. This is critically very important to understand the Google AdWords structure because what happened most of the times is people are not clear, and that leads to a lot of confusion, and ultimately it becomes very difficult for you to create campaigns. So keep your focus 100% here so that you can understand it. It's tricky to be true, but it is required. Okay. The Google ad structure, hierarchy structure is that there is an account, Google account. Under that, you can have as many campaigns as you want, up to 1 million. That is 1 or 10 million. That is the limit. Okay. So under each account, you can have n number of campaigns, different type of campaigns like video campaign or a search campaign or a display campaign, remarketing campaign, whatever you want to do. Okay. So what is the structure in the campaign? So campaign is at top level, and campaign has few settings. What kind of settings these are locations like where you want to run this campaign, how much money you want to spend on this campaign per day. That is called budget. That we will discuss in detail. All these settings. Okay. Third thing is you can set up the bidding strategy. You want to pay per click, you want to pay per conversion, you want to maximize your conversion, maximize your click. So there are a lot of bidding strategies as well. Okay. So good says my voice is cracking. Okay, no problem. Let me repeat it. I was saying campaign has certain settings like campaign budget, campaign location, where you want to run it, then campaign bidding strategies, then campaign conversions, and all these settings will give an idea what this campaign is all about. Okay, under campaign you have ad groups. Okay, ad groups has some settings again, but very limited settings. Okay, and under ad group you have ads and keywords. I'm talking about specifically over here about search campaigns. Okay, ad group has ads under it and keywords under it. Okay, when I say ad group has ads and keywords, means each ad is not aligned to each keyword. That means if you have 10 keywords, you can align 10 ads to it. No, you can't. You can have a group of keywords into it and you have a group of ads. So Google can show any of the ads against any of the keywords. Okay, that's why this ad group concept came. Because if you have, let's say, you have two products you want to market in the same market, you have the combined budget of them, and you want to place the ad. So you for that you have to add keywords. Okay, for shoes, keyword will be different, like shoes online, buy red shoes, buy sneaker shoes, buy men's shoes. Okay, these are different set of keywords which you will be using to market your shoes products, whereas in handbags you will be using handbags online, buy handbags online, uh, Versace handbags or pure animal skin handbag or whatever the different type of handbags in it. Okay, so you have handbag set of keywords in one ad group, another set of keywords in another ad group, that is shoe. So if any of the shoe ad is shown against any of the shoe keywords, it will always be relevant. Okay, because all the keywords are talking about shoes, whereas your ad, all the ads in that ad group is also talking about shoes. Whereas in the handbag ad group, all the keywords contain handbags and all your ads contain handbags. So it is always relevant. Maybe not super relevant, but they are somewhere relevant. First thing. And in a single campaign, you can handle multiple products. Okay, why ad group was required? This is the primary reason. For every product, you can't build different campaigns. And if you start building it, think of Flipkart as a website. It will take they have more than 10,000 product categories, so they have to build 10,000, maybe 10, 20,000 different campaigns. This is not possible. And each category have subcategories and other detailed category and detailed products. Okay, different brands. So it will take millions and millions of campaigns to build them, which is not possible. That's why they come up with this concept that campaign will have an ad group and ad group can have a similar keyword. So that it can work easily. So a user doesn't have to create lot of campaigns. Okay, but one thing keep in mind that keep very close keyword into an ad group, themed keywords. These are also known as, like for example, you're making a ad group for shoes online. So it will this is just the ad group name. Ad group name could be anything. but ad group name is given because you can identify what kind of keywords will be there in it. Okay, that's why. So let's suppose you want to scheme the keywords related to shoes online in a campaign. So you can add keywords like shoes online, buy cheap shoes online, best shoes under 10,000 rupees,